Climate change remains a big challenge in the world, particularly in Africa. There are many factors responsible for it, ranging from both natural and human factors. The government of the Gambia has recently taken action through the Ministry of Agriculture to embark on mitigating the trend. On Friday, August 23, 2024, officials from the International Organization for Migration in Basse came to Sandu Kunkuba to plant 30 mahogany trees and 300 malina trees at Jalamang Tourist Orchard. Kunku TV covered the tree planting exercise and had exclusive interview with International Organization for Migration officials. Ibrahima Kante, an admin and finance officer in Basse, spoke at length about the significance of the tree planting exercise, citing the negative impact of climate change, especially the delay in rainfall. He said the government cannot do it all alone and called for collaborative efforts in mitigating climate change. He said the exercise is related to migration as part of efforts to integrate the returnees into society. We immobilize the returnees to participate in this exercise so that they can have financial gains while they wait for their integration assistance, Kante said. Mr. Kante thanked the returnees for their participation in the exercise and called for collaboration from all. He said he believes the exercise is part of awareness raising and could positively impact the lives of the people who return from the backway journey and deter others from embarking on the journey.
Forestry is taking the lead, and then they identify the areas where we normally do this tree planting. We have done it in other communities, whereas we did it in a community forest.
Okay.
Other communities where agroforestry, like it's depend on the community as well. So we do both.
Okay.
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank the returnees for taking participation in this exercise, and then they are very committed with the work.
Okay.
And then I would like to also thank the youths, in fact, those who we met here, because already they are on the ground, they are very supportive, and this is what we need. It's a collective thing, like we cannot do it alone, forestry cannot do it alone, but we need to join hands together, the community, the forestry, and then IOM, we all need to join hands together to ensure that at least we do something which will impact this thing positively. Climate change, because let them help no liba the what I can replace. So as a result, at the chat they help. So on what to make in because forestry government through Department of Forestry, but way what they do make in the menen kali that men aramen what I join together. Men one little forestry, for ya men what I plant trees the help let them help. Medan andi because government alone wata dum wadde wadi men kadi min yo medan wadu join and then men wada use a returnees be ananto ma hore ma be arti joni be way wadde participate e o programme do so be wadi participate o programme do kadi be heba hembudi seda be wawa jogitade be hebude reintegration package mabbe
Bakari Koli, a forestry officer, also spoke at the tree planting exercise, citing significant improvements from similar actions in most community forests. He said they have seen the efforts Jalamang Ture is making as an agro-farmer. He expressed dissatisfaction with the way people handle forests, especially during fire outbreaks. He also said that if it were not for the attitudes of the people, the number of trees planted in Sando in recent years would have been sufficient, and people would not complain about the lack of rain or wind affecting them due to insufficient trees.
Okay. That's true. Yeah. Juna, yeah, but
nka fenko fanan experience ning fonyo nata
akatinyaro bisate
kono
ni
role siata akafonyo
ta windbreaker
hero boro aboro fanan siata se ku boro jamal soto na bu so ni wol ma soto fanan wumu do ko waldi hero dal ala nafa kay
nafa warta
ba
asi mol nafa
very good because ni nata hero la kuola ani wulo la kuola molla kol dal very lucky mol ka lak ba kele bare be mol apilla because nying mbuka ke komi dol fangola interest ka kele pour
dunia bela interest anin na diningol min kana
sama
because ni wonten sama ni wol nata ibe mol blame la because ndol nganyul tarale dinna wululal fololi nyul misuse le nyul tarala jam so ni ndol nata do mba kanere bot mba try kan ka plan secondly fana min kamol over batandi wala dimbati
especially tilikando kono
nin dimba bota the approach towards dimba ko ba ke
Amadou Diawo, another forestry officer stationed in Sare Fadiga, believes tree planting is of great importance in the lives of the people, citing the use of oxygen by humans and vice versa. However, he expressed disappointment in the way people handle forests, which continues to pose challenges for people. For example, he mentioned negligence in putting out fires and the behavior of some people who set bushes on fire due to the disposal of cigarette butts. He said fines would be imposed if anyone is found illegally cutting trees or burning charcoal. He also said the lack of trees can delay rainfall. Citing examples from this year's season, Mr. Jawa expressed appreciation to the returnees for their active participation in the exercise.
Exactly.
Carbon dioxide. Kajota te kadi bonande di heewi parce que wonde bonande ga o ko illegal felin imoran nata e ladde to haldani hay goto di soppale afan dum ko dum problem secondly affaire nuccugol ni ladde ndede aya neddo andi mo wima ko jumoy walla ko ya di raddoya afami walla goddo anta ko e machine woni fima cigarette tan weddo kudon ha mano di yori kudon yori of other problem ladde suma.
Reporting for Kuonku TV, I am Mariama Sama.